Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out your membership card, including your membership number and QR code on the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, go to your the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen, then go to the top and tap on this card at the top of the screen. Here you can see your membership card, including your barcode, your membership number, your membership since date, and valid until. If you would like to add it to your Apple Wallet, just simply tap on the Add to Apple Wallet button down below. Then you will be able to see your card and click on the add button, and then it will be added to your Apple Wallet, so you will be able to find it more easily. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.